Now in this question we have to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side, and C1, C0, C1, C2 are the binomial coefficients of the successive terms for the expansion 1 plus x whole the power n. Now left hand side we are having C1 upon C0 plus twice of C2 upon C1 plus thrice of C3 upon C2 plus n times Cn upon Cn minus 1. Now to this we can write it Nc1 upon Nc0 plus twice of Nc2 plus Nc1 plus 3 times Nc3 upon Nc2 plus n times Ncn upon Ncn minus 1. Now solving this one, what we Nc1 is what? It is 1, n upon Nc0 is 1 plus 2 with n minus 1 upon 2 upon n plus 3 with n minus 1 n minus 2 upon 3 factorial upon Nc2 n minus 1 Nc2 n minus 1 upon 2 plus n. Now Ncn is what? 1 upon Ncn minus 1. This is what? N. Okay. Nc0 1, Nc1 n, Nc2 n minus 1 upon 2 factorial, Nc3 n minus 1 n minus 2 upon 3 factorial, Ncn minus 1 that is n, and Ncn is equal to 1. These are the things which we are using here. Now this becomes n plus n minus 1. Now this n, 2 and 2 cancels, n and n cancels, plus now 3 and 3 cancels, then this 2 and this 2 cancels, n minus 1 and n minus 1 cancels, so we are left with n minus 2, n plus n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus 1. Now writing this in the inverse order. Now writing the last term first and so on. So what we are getting? We will be getting 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n minus 2 plus n minus 1 plus n. And basically what this is? This is the summation of n, where n is a natural number. Sum of the n terms. Okay, I am just giving you sum of n natural number. Now this is equal to n times n plus 1 upon 2. This is equal to right hand side.